Hi, I'm Vicky, and welcome to Tech4all.biz. I've been a small business owner and technologist for over 20 years, and in that time, I've learned two things. One, business can be challenging, and two, so is technology. We've decided to put together this website to help you build your skills and confidence step by showing you what other small business owners do to integrate technology into their business. Did you know that small businesses that integrate technology effectively in their business grow 80% faster than their peers? And I know as a disadvantaged small business, that can be extra difficult. So we build this website to help you start your journey. Additionally, we've listed a number of free resources that you can use as a small business owner in Washington State to continue your journey once you started here. I hope that your business grows and flourishes and that we can help you do so.